Now with the arms down, knees soften, spine is long. Let's just turn from our hips and our waist to the right and left and do knocking on the door of life. Bend your elbows and knock along the low back and the abdomen, bringing some energy to these areas, some blood flow. Open up the low back. This is a great exercise to do if you've been sitting for a long time. Make sure that your shoulders are relaxed and your arms are free. Try not to make this an arm exercise. Really move from the center of your body and your arms are just going along for the ride. Make a soft fist and cross the front of your chest and tap on the corner of your chest just below your collarbone to open up the chest and bring a lot of healing energy to your lungs. Now open the palm of your hand and tap on the top of your shoulder, base of your neck with the open palm of your hand, opening up lines of tension in your neck and shoulders and upper back. This is where many of us hold stress and tension. And when we activate the points on the shoulder, helps us to relieve tension and also can relieve headaches as well. Now let's go back to the chest again. And then let's go to the low back and the waist again. You can even look a little bit more over your shoulder to get more rotation of your spine and really stretch out your obliques. Take a deep breath in, and as you exhale, we drop into an exercise called water waves. So water waves is a bit softer, more gentle than that last exercise. This is a great exercise to help us push away mental stress. So as the arms spiral around the front and the back of the body and the sides, just imagine that you're just pushing away mental stress, clearing the mind, drawing yourself more into the present moment. So much of the stress we feel is because we are thinking about the past, kind of dwelling on the past, or projecting into the future, maybe looking to the future in a fearful way, or looking into the past in a regretful way. But really all there is now. This is where we hold our power in the present moment. So bring your awareness to the now. What are you doing right now? What are you feeling right now? How are you breathing right now? Can you feel the air around your body? You can feel the air moving through the fingers. Feel the clothes touching your skin. And feel the floor or the ground beneath you. All of which is perceived in the moment. Take a deep breath, and as you exhale, begin to slow the movement down, slow it down, slow it down, until you're still. Okay,